Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find where Steam installed your game files using the Browse Local Files option. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and the Steam interface loads, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll see several navigation options there, and you need to click on Library. This will take you to your full collection of games and show everything you currently have in your Steam account. Now, in the left panel of your screen, you'll see a complete list of all your installed games. Browse through this list and locate the specific game you want to find the installation files for. Once you've found it, right-click on that game's name. A context menu will appear with various options available. From this menu, go ahead and select Properties. This action will open a new window dedicated to that specific game's settings and information. Within the Properties window, you'll notice a left panel with several different tabs and options. Look for the option labeled Installed Files and click on it. This section contains all the details about where your game is stored and how much space it's taking up on your system. It's essentially your gateway to accessing the physical files that make up the game on your hard drive. In the Installed Files section, you'll see a button that says Browse. Click on this button. This is the key step that does all the work for you. The moment you click it, Steam will automatically open the exact folder where the game is installed on your computer. You don't need to manually navigate through multiple folders or search through your program files directory. Steam takes you directly to the location, saving you time and eliminating any guesswork about where your game files are actually stored. And that's it. You've successfully located where Steam installed your game files on your system. This method works for any game in your library and gives you instant access to the installation directory whenever you need it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.